In this video, I will show you how to use Qwen 2.5. And there are actually two ways on how you can use Qwen. And the first way is by doing it online in the engine where I am in right now. And the other way is to run it locally. And with this way, you are able to access it without internet connection and basically from anywhere you are. So I'm going to show you the first way first. And this one is really simple. You basically go to your search engine and then from there you type in Qwen 2.5 and then you will be redirected to this website chat.qwenlm.ai. And this is the site that you need to click on. And in here you will be redirected to the Qwen 2.5 engine. And on the top left you can click on this arrow down and in here you can select the different models that Qwen is offering. So we have the Qwen 2.5 Max, the Plus, this one, and even more models, as you can see. But the Max is the most powerful model at this moment. And if you want to do some more complex tasks, then the Plus version will also set you good. So there are a lot of things that you can do with Qwen 2.5. For example, you can paste in documents, you can use your camera to upload images and stuff like that. You can ask it to create images, to code, make a plan, or to ask for the news. You can generate images, even generate videos. You can access web search and artifacts. So that is how you use Qwen 2.5. And in order to use it, you need to be logged in with an account. And you can also log in with Google or Apple. And then you will automatically be able to use the engine. So that is how you use it online. And then there is the other way to use it locally. And that is by using Ollama. So the first thing that you need to do, whether you are on macOS, Linux, or Windows, you are going to ollama.com. And from the home screen, you're going to click on download. And right now I'm on Mac. So I would click on macOS and download for macOS. But if you are on Windows, you're basically going to do it like this. And I have it already installed. So there is no need for me to download it again. But if you have downloaded this, you need to go to models on the Ollama website. And in here, you need to type in Qwen. And when you click on Qwen 2.5, the newest model, you will have a couple of options in 0.5b, 1.5b, etc. And this basically means that the more powerful your computer is, the more Bs it can run. So when you have an average computer, then 3B or 7B will be alright. So I'm going with 3B. And then you will see this code in here. And this is a code that you need to enter in your terminal. And if you are on Windows, it will be your Windows terminal. And on Mac, it will be your Mac terminal. You can access it by going to Launchpad or clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom left and then click and search for terminal. And after you have fired it up, you are basically going to click on this screen here after the percentage sign. And the first thing that you do then is type in Ollama, and then you will see a lot of commands. And this basically means that Ollama is set up well in the terminal. And after that, you can paste this thing that you copied from the Qwen 2.5 3B section. And when you click on enter right now, the download will start. And after everything is right, it will say success. And when you then type in hello, then you will fire up the engine. And after that, you can prompt anything in you want. And then you will get responses without using an internet connection. And that is really easy when you're, let's say, traveling or just don't want to use it on internet and have some more privacy. Because using it locally will not train any AI models or stuff like that. So that is how you use Qwen 2.5 in both ways. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.